Hi everyone and welcome to Gargano.
Gargano is located in Puglia, a wonderful region in the southeast of Italy. In the description of this video you'll find some tips about where to eat and best accommodations in this land. Gargano is a wide isolated mountain region encircled by paradisaical beaches, such as Zagare Bay, Vigna Nautica Bay and Cala Sanguinara, and picturesque villages such as Vieste, Pespici, Rodi and Vico. Let's look at this wonderful destination for your holidays in more detail. I'll show you 10 points of interest, 4 beaches and 6 villages, and in the How section of this video you'll find a clear map to better organize your trip. Zagare Bay takes name from the scented orange flowers. You can reach it with the hotel's elevator or more cheaply with your feet. The Bay of Vigna Nautica is surrounded by a wall of bright white limestone cliffs. Cala Sanguinara is located between pine trees and the rocky conformation of karstic origin. It's not easy to reach. This is one of my favorite beaches. The scenic town of Vieste sits on a cliffed peninsula with long sandy beaches on each side. Pizzomuno is one of the most famous beaches of Vieste, located just outside the city. Pespici is a small but real fascinating historic center, where you can lose yourself just by walking. Rodi lies on a small promontory overlooking the sea. In the historic center of Vico you can find a 12th century castle and a maze of grindstone houses, including the tiny Vicolo del Bacio, Kiss Alley. Cagnano stands on the shores of Varano Lake. I suggest to come here also to eat pizza and fish. Delicious!
Carpino, my mother's native village, thanks to its olive oil and folk traditions, is a small treasure in Gargano.
If you come from the highway, as it probably is, one possibility is to reach Gargano by taking the SS89 road and follow this route, visiting the villages of Cagnano and Carpino, the Varano Lake and Isthmus, and then the villages of Rodi, Vico, Peschice and Vieste. You can end this on the road trip relaxing in the beaches of Cala Sanguinara, Vigna Nautica and in Zagare Bay. I suggest to spend the early morning and the evening visiting the villages or Foresta Umbra and the hottest hours of the day brushed by the wind of a beach. And don't forget to taste the local pizza and fish. Large eel is typical, such as to taste cartellate as dessert.
But why visit Gargano? Well, this place is one of the most scenic parts of southern Italy.
If you want to spend your holidays in a location less crowded than others, like Salento, you can consider to visit its coastline of white limestone cliffs, long sandy beaches, mountains and nice villages.
Sun and Italian food will spice up your holiday. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.